Welcome in online teaching of St. Thomas School. We are going to study moral science subject, chapter number 12, social evils according to Gandhi. It is going on. Social evil number 6, science without humanity. The role of science on human progress is to be appreciated. Science has touched almost all the realms of human life. It has changed human history and accelerated human progress. All the facilities of life that we enjoy today are result of man's scientific research. The face of human progress is changing at a rapid pace, but could science, with all its advanced technologies, ensure human happiness and dignity? Didn't it lose its human touch in its mad race of progress and competition? If we think sincerely, our answer will be positive. The very science which helps man to ensure his material prosperity many times causes his spiritual poverty. Science is used by the strong against the weak. The senseless and soulless uses of science devoid of human concern is nothing but a social evil. Einstein writes, science without religion is a lamb, religion without science is a blind. So, my dear students, here in this point, we can understand very well the role of science in human being life. Every facility we can get, those all the facilities is available due to science, development of science. That is hardships did by the all scientists, and therefore our life is very comfortable due to technology. But a real manner we have to think that whatever facilities we are getting, that due to those facilities, those who are weak, are they getting any problems? That is called social evil. So therefore here Einstein is writing, no, science without religion is a lamb. No? We have to make innovations and all, my dear students, but being with a religion, and religion without science is a blind, you know very well. If person is a blind, what happened? Okay. Next evil, worship without sacrifice. True religion and true morality are two sides of the same coin. Gandhiji rejected all kinds of religious doctrines that were in conflict with morality. The worship of God must be rooted in personal readiness for sacrifice. It is easy to worship God by reciting some prayers with our lips, but true worship demands self surrender to the will of God. Unfortunately, our prayers and worship are directed at changing the will of God as per our wishes and demands. We always depends upon God for the betterment of our lives, but we seldom are ready to sacrifice anything to fulfill His will. Worship becomes fully selfish and purely self centered when it lacks sacrifice. Such kind of worship may not produce the desired fruits, and God will not accept such worship. According to Gandhi, true devotees of God are those who can sympathize with the people who suffer. So, my dear students, here in this evil it is said, worship without sacrifice. Whenever we are discussing about social evils of Gandhiji, given by Gandhiji, true religion and true morality. In one coin, one side is a true religion, one side is a true morality. That means everything. According to this social evil, worship without sacrifice. True worship means whatever God is telling, according to it we have to do. We are praying, that is very good. We are worshipping to God, that is very good. But according to the will of God, according to the desire of God. Because we are praying very nicely, we are worshipping very nicely, but when time is there to make sacrifice, then slide we are being away from God. And that is not good. We are being selfish. That is not good. In that case, when we are praying and when we are worshipping, even though we are not ready to sacrifice, and that will not be fair. So, it is said, worship without sacrifice, and that is also social evil. So, my dear students, here we studied 7 social evil just in order to become very good human being. Whatever we are doing, we have to do very good. Then society also will become very good automatically. So, moral we are having that we have to become very good human being. So, here is the end of the chapter. Exercise you have to write from PDF. Thank you very much.